My name is Madame Remouvere Mask. I am your host, and thank you for joining Taking Off the Mask, the show that helps you stop hiding behind all of your issues. Today we have a very, very special treat today. We have two people who are bold enough to tell their story about what happened in their past and how they refused to hide behind their mask. Everybody said their mask. Yes. Now, without further ado, we have Mrs. F coming out to see us. Come on out, Mrs. F. Dr. Honey following her. Dr. Honey is our counselor. She has been counseling for more than 10 years. Dr. Honey has all the money, honey. How are you today, Mrs. F? Oh, you must stand up. Greetings. You must greet me the right way. Now you sit down right here. Sit right here, right here. Yes, all right. Okay, baby. Tell me what happened.
Well, you know, it's okay, baby. No. I think I made a terrible mistake, and I don't know how to fix it.
What mistake did you make?
See, let me tell you. I had me a good man. You know, he was well known in the community. People would ask to go to him for advice. He was their role model to the youth and to the adults. And he took care of me and all his 10 kids.
10 kids? And that's why I sexy said we have this 10 kids?
You know, he comes up well, me and the girls how my baby be fat and all that. And the little boy said, Nike, yeah, honey. You know, my baby, he wasn't just a baller. Baby girl, let me tell you. He was a baller shot caller.
Yes. My name is Madame Remouvere Mask. No baby girl.
The baby girl?
Madame Remouvere Mask. I don't understand what she mean by baby girl.
Everything was going real well for us. And then, all of a sudden, it was all gone. And like, shit, I just couldn't take it anymore. And so I left him, and I just feel so bad. I didn't know what to do.
It is time. Calm down, baby. It is time for you to go see Dr. Honey. Take the tissue with all your issues. That's too much for me. It's very enlightening. We have a man who is going to come out and tell us his story. And you know, men usually don't want to talk about their problems, but he's a very good one. Mr. J! Come on out, Mr. J. Like one time. Have a seat. Are you ready to tell us your story?
I guess he can't see that. Well,
But baby, before you talk, you have your glasses on the wrong way.
I had no. I was very good in my life. I was very good in my life. And I had a wife, and it's a good life.
Okay.
She was always there. She had my back, helped me take care of me.
10 kids too? And that's why I say she said.
Yeah, they never needed anything. I always provided for them. And then, I wasn't real boasty about it. I knew everything that I had, it came from God. I did what I was supposed to do.
Oh, good man. Good God-fearing man. That's the way.
And just, all of a sudden, it's just, everything went downhill for me.
share your story with us?
Not really.
So do you need some tissues for your issues also?
I'm good. I'm not gonna cry.
Oh, you're not going to cry. Okay. I'm so sorry.
Joe, is that you?
Oh.
Oh,
Oh.
man.
Wait a minute. How do you know him?
Wait a
How do
minute.
you know?
That's my brother.
Wait a minute. Mr. J. Mr. J. Not like this, Mr. J.
Lord Jesus. I forget you.
This has never happened on my show before. Your wife. Yes, sir. I don't know how to handle this. The tissue too. I don't understand what just happened on my show. Madame Remove the Mask does not understand. Maybe but the producers will tell me what just happened. Okay, seems like they're okay. I thank you so very much. I think we need a commercial break because I cannot handle what I just saw. But I thank you so much for joining us on tonight for this episode of Taking Off the Mask, and I am your host, Remove the Mask.